It's a 2008 Dodge Caliber. Utility that is both fierce and bold, practical has never been more fun. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, AM/FM Sirius satellite radio, leather steering wheel, chill zone refrigerated box located in the glove box, Boston acoustic sound system, aluminum wheels, multifunction steering wheel, and manual transmission. New car test drive notes there's an air-conditioned compartment in the glove box to chill water bottles or sodas, and a swing-down stereo speaker panel attached to the liftgate that converts the back end to a sound stage for beach parties or tailgating. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.